Hi and welcome everyone. My name is Igor Bergant and I would like to thank you for joining us at the Titus product stage. Today we will talk about the Titus Quickfit range of furniture connectors conceived for a quick and easy ready-to-assemble or shorter RTA cabinet assembly. Stay with us and learn how to reduce the time needed to assemble a cabinet by 50% and ensure your customers' loyalty. In 2020, many furniture manufacturers and retailers reported a steep increase in their online sales. Well, we believe that lockdowns and other pandemic restrictions have led to a long-term trend of increasing online furniture purchases. With more people opting for small apartments as well as renting rather than owning, the need for flexibility and convenience of instantly available furniture is growing. All of these elements contribute to the growing popularity of ready-to-assemble and disassembled furniture. A smooth and stress-free consumer assembly experience is essential to ensure consumers will come back for more. Data indicates that most consumers of flat-pack furniture today are millennials. This poses a new sort of challenge as research demonstrates that millennials are not willing to dedicate a whole day to assembling an item of furniture like their parents used to. Many of them don't even have a toolbox at home. Titus, a leading global brand in cabinet connectors, continually researches and develops solutions that simplify and strengthen home assembly, all while improving the furniture manufacturing processes. Let's take a closer look. I'm happy to welcome to our studio Titus specialists to discuss the latest innovations in connector solutions. Joining us are Bojan Cerar, product manager for connectors at Titus, who is an engineer with years of experience in global sales of cabinet hardware. He oversees the continuous flow of new connector solutions for global furniture industry. Mike Zeri, sales manager for connectors for the US market, who has almost 40 years of experience in the furniture and cabinet industry. He works closely with distributors and OEM customers in the closet and RTA industry. Daniel Kozlovic, product designer who has extensive experience in product design in cabinet hardware. His area of focus is damping and push-to-open solutions for applications in cabinets, drawers and sliding doors. And Phil Beddoe, general manager for the UK and Northern Europe, who is a construction engineer with years of experience in the furniture manufacturing industry. He manages relationships and provides support to many of Europe's largest kitchen and RTA manufacturers and retailers. Thank you for taking your time to join us today. I'm looking forward to an interesting discussion about the benefits of this product range. In our introduction, we mentioned that Titus has a solution to reduce cabinet assembly time by 50%. Well, that sounds really exciting. Bojan, can you provide us with some more information?
Of course. The 50% reduction in assembly is possible by pre-inserting the Quickfit dowels into the panel during factory production prior to shipping the cabinet. Consumers get all the connectors already fitted in the right place. All they have to do is to put two panels together and tighten the joint. It is easy as that. We can now see how easy it is to put together a cabinet. No connectors in a back, no searching, counting, trying to figure out where to place what. You can immediately see what to do, which reduces the risk of positioning the parts wrong. As an added benefit, the assembly instructions are substantially shorter and easier to understand, which makes the assembly safe to do even without reading the instructions. Igor, why don't you give it a go?
Well, it's not a good idea. It's not so simple and I'm really not good at furniture assembling. Are you sure?
I'm certain. Is that easy?
So I need this, huh?
You need this? Final part.
Wow, that really was simple. Can that be done with every dowel from Titus or every dowel available on the market?
This is a solution unique to Titus, because it is made possible by a specific feature built into our range of Quickfit TL dowels, which enables the dowel to remain firmly placed in the hole without the risk of falling out during transport.
Now Phil, I know some of your customers adopted the pre-inserted connector solutions. Well, what is their experience?
Well, over the years I've been working with some fantastic companies, both kitchen cabinet manufacturers and furniture flat pack RTA manufacturers and retailers. And over the years we've worked to improve the ease of assembly of cabinets, either being in a factory environment or at home with the consumers, and it reduces time, reduces cost in factory environments, but it also adds value to the retail product offer. The cabinet needs to be fast, simple and easy to put together. A lot of this has been achieved by introducing Quickfit TL Titus cam and dowel, which has replaced the screw-in cams and dowels of old, and this has added value and improved the ease of assembly of our cabinets, and that again, it helps in a factory environment or at home when you're assembling the piece of furniture once you've got it back from the shop or home delivery. But we haven't stopped there. We worked with a number of manufacturers, and Titus Technologies designed and built the FastFit machine, which has received a number of awards and accolades. And this machine pre-installs the cam, the Quickfit TL dowel and wooden dowels in 7 to 8 seconds.
And what are your customers' main reasons for choosing factory pre-insertion using Titus FastFit machine?
Yeah, I think one of the main reasons our customers have worked with the FastFit Titus machine is it's a fantastic product to offer kitchen retailers and their customers and installers. You can reduce assembly time by 50%. The machines are easily designed. We're using our standard Quickfit TL cam and dowel technology, so there's nothing new in terms of the processing and drilling of the panels, so it can be easily integrated into a factory environment, and as I say, 7 to 8 seconds per panel, and you've got all the fittings installed in the panel, and it can go into a box and go out to site or go to the consumer's home. They open the box and straight away you can start putting your furniture together. It reduces the complexity, it speeds up the assembly, and just really makes the assembly of a cabinet a more pleasurable experience. And this is essential now with so much furniture being sold online or websites selling products. You've got customer reviews on every single product now, and you cannot sell furniture that's difficult or complicated to put together.
Thanks Phil, I can see now why your customers chose the pre-insertion. Well, reducing the time needed to put a cabinet together by 50% is a great achievement and a real benefit for furniture buyers. But Titus hasn't stopped there. The range of Quickfit dowels has evolved further. The latest innovation is an award-winning solution called Full Metal Jacket, a full metal Quickfit hand insertion dowel. So Daniel, what is so special about this product?
Quickfit TL5 is the only dowel on the market that reliably engages in a 5mm dowel hole, enabling the use of the toolless Quickfit dowel insertion technology across a wide range of applications in RTA furniture in which 5mm drilling is a standard practice. And as you said, Igor, it is made of steel. We always knew that the only material which would reliably hold in 5mm hole was steel. Quickfit Full Metal Jacket is a high-performance dowel with great resistance to dowel pull-up, providing optimal strength and effective performance in various materials, MDF, chipboard and solid wood. An entire steel body assures dependability and stability where it is needed most. The easy-to-use push-in design allows customers to easily disassemble and reassemble a piece of furniture multiple times. Let me just add that by replacing plastic, which is typically used in this type of products, with steel was not only a challenge for our team of designers, but required extensive innovation efforts in engineering and production as well. This solution also allows for excellent recycling possibilities and makes sustainability an achievable goal for manufacturers and end users.
There is another exceptionally easy to mount product in the Titus range called QuickLock, a one-piece connector which proved to be exceptionally successful in the US. That's why we've invited a member of the Titus US team to tell us more.
QuickLock has been around for many years and continues to be the connector of choice for manufacturers, baggers, and consumers. Since edge boring is not required, manufacturers can use simple drilling machines, greatly increasing their output. Because of its weight, QuickLock is an easy product for baggers to bag. It's easy to determine if one is missing during the bagging process. This ensures that the correct number of connectors are in each bag, significantly reducing expensive customer service calls. Consumers love the one-piece design, as it's easy for them to determine where in the panels they go. QuickLock is positioned just as seen. You press them in, you take the opposing panel as shown, lock them in, and then with a quarter of a turn you lock the cams. It draws the panels together and it creates a super strong joint. QuickLock increases consumer satisfaction and ultimately higher online ratings.
Well, I must say it is amazing how much expertise is built in these small metal parts that are hidden to most of us once built in our wardrobe.
And there is much more to it. The story about our Quickfit dowels wouldn't really be complete without mentioning tolerances which are a reality in the world of woodworking. Our whole Quickfit TL range is designed to ensure a fully tightened joint and optimal cabinet connections in case of minor misdrillings or inconsistencies stemming from the natural movement of wood panels. Our 2 o'clock lock of cam with a smooth but noticeable locking at 2 o'clock assures confident closing and always the correct amount of tightening at home.
Well, Titus is a leading brand in connectors, bringing innovations to the market since the mid-70s. Well, how do you manage to maintain focus and dedication and continue to improve consumer assembly experience?
We have a specific concept which helps our customers to evaluate different connector solutions in terms of how easy they are to assemble. It is our CAF, Consumer Assembly Friendliness. CAF is a specific formula developed by Titus to provide an objective measure of how easy it is to assemble a piece of furniture. The Consumer Assembly Friendliness score of any furniture fitting is easy to calculate based on the total number of connector parts, number of different parts, and number of actions needed to be completed to finalize the assembly. The lower the result, the easier the home assembly of cabinet will be. Pre-insertion on an average cabinet with 8 connections has the score of 16, and if QuickLock were not pre-inserted, this would typically be 24. Meanwhile, an average screw-on connector solution would have a score of 176. I guess that's self-explanatory.
Well, that's impressive, Juan. Thank you for explaining this concept. Today, a positive consumer experience is essential. With new generations of customers, the need for quick assembly solutions is also essential. On the other hand, manufacturers save money, time and resources with tailored quick assembly solutions for their manufacturing process. Titus managed to provide solutions to those challenges while at the same time incorporating reusability. We thank you for your time. I'm Igor Bergante and I hope to see you on our next presentation.